In this video, I'm going to go ahead and jump into solving this trig proof problem. If you'd like a more thorough explanation of proofs, watch the video called Trigonometric Proofs Part 1 on my YouTube channel. The first step in solving this problem is picking the side of the equation that you want to prove the whole equation from. Generally, I find it easier to pick the side of the equation that has the most stuff in it, so I'll prove this problem from the left side. So, in this problem, I'm going to manipulate the left side of the equation until it matches the right. So my last step should read, cosine theta plus sine theta is equal to cosine theta plus sine theta. Now, I'm going to begin this problem. I'm trying to make the left side of the equation match the right. I notice that the right side of the equation has a sine and a cosine in it. So, I'm going to start the problem by trying to substitute some sine and cosines into the left. In my trig identities, I see that cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. So, I'm going to substitute cosine theta over sine theta in for cotangent theta. And I'll carry down the 1. Also in my trig identities, I see that cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. So, I can substitute 1 over sine theta in for cosecant theta. Now, if I look at my right side again, I see that it's very condensed and simple. So, I need to make the left side of my equation more condensed and simple so that it will look more like the right. One thing that will make the left more condensed is if I get rid of the denominators that are in both the numerator and denominator. Since both of the denominators are sine theta, I can get rid of the denominators by multiplying each of them by sine theta. I'll show you how to properly do this. In order to multiply each of the denominators by sine theta, you have to multiply the whole side of the equation by sine theta over sine theta. You are allowed to do this to the equation because sine theta over sine theta is equal to 1. So multiplying an equation by it won't change the equation's value. So now that I have put sine theta over sine theta, I need to distribute it. I will write out this step so you can see my thought process. I will distribute the top sine theta to the top and the bottom sine theta to the bottom. So I will multiply cosine theta over sine theta times sine theta. And you can think of it as over 1 if that helps you. And I need to multiply sine theta times 1. And on the bottom, I will multiply 1 over sine theta times sine theta. So, once we multiply everything out and cancel what we can see here, when we multiply cosine over sine theta times sine theta, the sine thetas will cancel out. And the same thing will happen down here. The sine thetas will cancel out. So, when we bring down the cosine theta plus the sine theta, and we will just have 1 in the denominator, so this will still be the same as it is. we see that the left side of the equation now matches the right side of the equation we had up here. So we can bring down the right side of the equation. And we have finished our proof because the left side of the equation matches the right side of the equation. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.